What's up everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing the Supreme Big 8. So I got it from StockX because I was too late. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And StockX. So I got a size medium. Is it too large? I think it's pretty cool because it has the Supreme box logo and it has a bow here. It looks like a painting, and I like how they combine the color. Okay, I'm just gonna try it now. I don't know. Oh my god, it looks good. Okay, so is it too big? I feel like it's too big for me, but it's just like oversized. I think I need a bag. I need a bag here. Yeah, this is better. And so today's video is short, really short. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a try on, and I pretty like this image. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe or like my videos. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.